All right, let's talk about screenshots on Windows. We're going to make you an absolute master at it. We'll cover the fastest, most effective ways to capture and share exactly what's on your screen so you can stop fumbling around and just get things done. Let's dive in.
You've been there, right? We all have. You're in a chat, you're writing an email, and you just need to show someone what you're seeing. It's such a basic part of how we communicate now, and we're going to make sure you can do it in like 2 seconds flat.
First up is the absolute cornerstone of all screenshots. This is your one press wonder. It gets the job done with zero fuss, making it your go-to move when speed is everything.
So, imagine this. You need to grab a picture of your entire desktop, every single open window, the taskbar, the whole shebang. Well, there's one key that does all of that instantly. And that's literally it, just one tap of the print screen T. You might see it labeled PRTSCN on your keyboard. Now, you won't see a flash, you won't hear a sound, but trust me, a perfect snapshot of your entire screen has just been captured. So, where'd it go?
It went to your clipboard. Think of the clipboard as your computer's short-term memory. It's just holding on to that image for you. So now all you have to do is go to your chat window, your email, your Word doc, and hit Control-V to paste it right in. No file, no fuss, just pure speed.
Okay, that's great for quick shares, but what if you don't want to paste it right away? What if you actually want to keep a record, maybe build a little collection of screenshots? Well, let's move on to the method that automatically saves the file for you.
And this is a really key difference. That first method was all about immediate pasting. This next one is all about saving a permanent file. And all you have to do is add one extra key to the command, and it completely changes the outcome.
So here's what you do. Hold down the Windows key, and while you're holding it, just tap Print Screen. This time, you'll actually see your screen dim for a split second. That little flash, that's your confirmation that Windows didn't just capture the screen, it also saved it as an image file.
And you know what the best part is? The convenience. You don't have to open Paint or Photoshop and hit Save As. The file is just there. It's waiting for you. Just open your File Explorer, go to your Pictures library, and boom, you'll see a Screenshots folder. All your auto-saved captures will be right in there, all neat and tidy.
Okay, so we've captured the whole screen, but let's be honest, that's often overkill, isn't it? So now we get to the most powerful, the most flexible, and frankly, the most useful screenshot method that's built right into Windows. This is the one you're probably going to use most often once you get the hang of it. I mean, why capture your entire desktop when all you really need is that one little error message or a single paragraph of text? It's time to get surgical. All right, here's the magic combination. It's the Windows key plus the Shift key plus the S key. Seriously, memorize this one. When you press all three at once, your screen will dim and the slick little menu will pop up at the top, giving you complete control over what you capture. And you get some amazing options here. Rectangular snip is your workhorse. You just draw a box around what you want. Simple. Freeform snip is kind of fun. It lets you draw any custom shape you want. Window snip, oh, this one is fantastic. You just hover over an app and click, and it captures only that window perfectly. And of course, full screen snip is still there if you need it. And here's the real key. No matter which of these cool precision tools you use, the result is exactly the same as our very first method. The image you selected is instantly copied to your clipboard, ready to paste. So you get all the power of precision with the incredible speed of a simple copy-paste. It really is the best of both worlds.
Okay, before we wrap this all up with a nice summary, let's quickly cover a classic tool for those of you who might prefer a more manual approach and a super important tip that's going to save our laptop users a ton of frustration. So if you're not really a fan of keyboard shortcuts, no problem. You can always just go to your Start menu and type in Snipping Tool. This little app has been around forever. It gives you a simple window with a new button to start your capture. It does the exact same job, just with a few more clicks. Now listen up, because this is essential. If you're on a laptop and you're hitting the print screen key and absolutely nothing is happening, don't panic. On most laptops, that key shares its job with another command. You'll probably need to hold down the FN key, usually in the bottom left of your keyboard, at the same time you press print screen. I'm telling you, this is the solution 99% of the time. Wow, okay, we've covered a lot of ground pretty quickly here. So let's lock all that new knowledge in with a quick, clean summary of your awesome new toolkit. So let's run through the cheat sheet one last time. For a quick copy-paste job, just hit print screen. If you want to automatically save that capture as a file, just add the Windows key. And for total surgical precision, your new best friend is Windows plus Shift plus S. That's it. 3 methods, each perfect for a different situation.
And there you have it. You are now officially equipped with the speed, the efficiency, and the precision to capture literally anything on your screen. So the only question left is, what are you going to use these new skills on first? Thanks for tuning in.